billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is lesson number 7 and today our topic is fifth and final makhraj, which is nose. Before moving towards the actual lesson, I would like to mention here, till now we were focusing on the articulations of the letters for a reason, which was to build a strong foundation. After this lesson, we can start building, which is our main lessons from the Qaida. With this announcement out of the way, let's move to our lesson. Makhraj Al Khayshoom refers to nose or nasal cavity. This makhraj is unique and it contains only one point of articulation. Similar to our fourth makhraj Al Jawf, the nasal passage is an open area and it is located in the nose. To truly grasp the importance of Ghunnah, try blocking your nose completely with two fingers and attempting to pronounce noon or Meem or a word with the letters noon or Meem, or simply sounding out the letters anna or amma. You will quickly realize that proper pronunciation of these letters is impossible without an open nasal passage producing Ghunnah. When pronounced correctly, a Ghunnah is produced from the nasal cavity without the involvement of the tongue. Al Khayshoom refers to the nasal passage, which is the 17th and final point of articulation. It's a unique makhraj that contains only one point of articulation. Similar to the Jawf, the nasal passage is an open area but located within the nose. When pronounced correctly, a Ghunnah is produced from this area without the involvement of the tongue. It's important to understand that Ghunnah is not a letter but a fundamental characteristic or quality of the letters Noon and Meem, forming a part of their original makeup. The Ghunnah sound is produced regardless of whether these letters have a fatha, dhamma, kasra, shadda or sukun, and is also pronounced during idgham, ikhfa or idhar. That's it for today. Stay tuned and we'll be back soon with more informative sessions inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.